check out this beautiful mural here. That's really nice. All the horses and the ladies with their hair kind of entwined in the tree. And you might be wondering where I'm at. I'm actually in a small town of Mocksville, North Carolina. I've got several friends that live up here too, and I've always wanted to come up here and check it out. I know every time I've driven through here, I always thought it was a really neat little town. So let's go do a little walk around and check out Mocksville, North Carolina. Now here's the name of the mural, is The Running of the Horses. And this is done by Cheryl Ann Lipstrew. And there's how to contact her, CherylAnnLipstrew.com. That's pretty neat. Yeah, she did a great job here. Yeah, I love that. And this is kind of neat right here. It's a memorial dedicated to Daniel Boone, hunter, explorer, backwoodsman, soldier, surveyor. Yeah, this is pretty neat that they have this here. I know he's been in this area many times back in the day, and it looks like the dates there, 1750 to 1765, and it's erected by the Boone Trail Highway Association. That's really neat. It's right next to, it looks like this is City Hall. Yeah, this is really neat. I love the bell tower. This is actually City Hall right here that the memorial's right next to. So here's the Davie County office building here, and this looks like it was later added to the courthouse. It's this side, but there's the historic building right there, the old courthouse. And I don't even think I've even put myself on camera at the beginning of this video. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here, and it's a cool little town for sure. Now, the one thing I noticed, since we're near the courthouse, there is law firm after law firm, even on Main Street, just office after office. Yeah, there's plenty of them, that's for sure. If you need a lawyer, yeah, they're going to be here. No problem. Yeah, here's another law building. There's a bunch of them. Love the trees, though. They really did a nice job of decorating the area, maple trees, things like that, downtown. I love that courthouse across the street. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Here's a better view of it. There you go. And here's a nice Davie County memorial here to all the fallen officers in the area. And this is Mocksville's War Memorial right here. Right downtown, you got all the flags around it and all the names of individuals that have given their life at different times during different conflicts around the world. Got this little upholstery business here. That coffee mug sitting out front. I don't know why. And just tons of cigarette butts. Somebody left their Camels there too. Maybe it's the communal cigarette pack. I don't know. Yeah, Twin Upholstery. Get free estimates. They're open. Here is Laced with Grace Bridal Boutique. Some pretty dresses right there. And I found this place. It's the Foxhole. It's a trading card shop like Pokemon, Magic the Gathering. Looks like they have other games here too. They're closed right now, so they're open on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, and they don't open till 3, so they stay open late. So they're from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Let's get a shot of the inside. See there? Yeah. There you go. It's primarily card games, it looks like. And there is Foyle and Company Hair Studio. Kind of off the side street here. There's another law office. Lynn Hicks. She's right there if you're looking for her. There's public parking over there. I park like right downtown. So, yeah. And I'll walk over here a little bit. Let me see what that, I think that's City Hall. Yeah, that's City Hall right there. So you saw the courthouse earlier, and that's their City Hall. There's the water tower. Pan around here. And there's the phone place and the Sound Depot. So they do, they work on the phones there, and they also have car stereos. Get those put in your car. Now, Main Street's right up here. They do have these markers, kind of shows you where everything's at. Shopping and dining, of course, is where it was. And I'll continue that through Main Street. But I wanted to go down here and show you kind of the side street here and see what was over here. It looks like they have a farmer's market over here on the weekends. So we walk across the street. And here is where they have the farmer's market. It's a nice little area. So I'm sure this place is probably packed on the weekends. So I have 2 levels up here and then down below there. So I'm on North Salisbury Street. Head down this way. A couple businesses down here I want to check out. And this place is Cognition Play, Learn, and Grow. Looks like it's for the kids. You got a little nice area to play outside as well. And then Los Tres Hermanos Western wear. Get your cowboy outfit over here. Continue our journey this way. Here's some vacant spots here in need of business. They're nice buildings, all brick. And it looks like they're ready to go. So come on down here to Mocksville. Check it out. Turn around here, show you where I came from. Yep. Came down there, came down the road on the side there to Salisbury Street. And we're continuing down this way. Building right here, nothing going on. It's all empty inside. Then you also have a feed, lawn supplies, food, plot seeds, trophy rock. So a lot of landscaping. You also have tons of farms around here. So you will find areas where you're going to get all kinds of livestock feed and stuff for your farm in this area in Mocksville. So I'm going to go across the street now. And check out this old bank here. Now it's the your partners in quality achievements is now here in the old bank. Then I found this little mural here to welcome you to Mocksville. It's kind of hidden back here, but check out that little pig over there. He's cute. And check out this old general store building here. That is really cool. I don't know if it's still operational. I think it is, but it reminds me of the KFC headquarters where it all started in Corbin, Kentucky. Yeah, it looks like the old gas station and Motor Lodge area where the restaurant is. Yeah, I don't know. It just does. It's called this is called the Station, the tap room. Yeah, there's a historical marker on here. Curfews and Ward Pure Oil Shop, built in 1935. Yeah, that's cool. It's closed right now. Yeah, and I think it's actually an actual tap house that is active. So, yeah, it looks like it might open in the evening. Let's see. Oh, tap room hours. Let's see. Yeah, it opens at noon. And closes at 10, Monday or Friday through Saturday. Wednesday through Thursday, it's open at noon till 9 p.m. And Sundays, 1 to 6. Now, notice across the street there, that old Royal Republic gas station marquee. That's pretty cool. Gasoline can't be beat. Newer thrills, fewer fills. Horn Oil Company, 1930. Then right here you got your jewelry store, Foster's Jewelers. Then also you got a real estate place. If you're looking for some real estate in the area, it's Premier Realty right downtown. And here is Ella Rose's boutique right here. She's open. Love the paintings around the edges of the windows. That's cool. And we'll walk down here, get a law office upstairs. Then you get Scoops Ice Cream is here. They're not open yet. And this is Love for Retro. Okay, might have to check that out. Yeah, we'll continue down here, but I do definitely want to check this place out. Now, this is Jeremy's place, and yeah, always ask permission if you want to film, but his store is awesome. Check out these retro arcade games. And one of my favorite right here, Galaga. He's got a place you can get some ducks right here and try your hand at trying to get a duck for a prize. Very cool. And he's got a lot of Genesis up here. He's got youth systems, cruising the world right here. Then over here he's got a pinball. He's got Soul Calibur. Get a shoot up game. Area Site 4 is what that one's called. And then also you can play some games here. Check that out. He's got the Nintendo 64 out. And also GameCube. Yeah. He's got plenty of stock. A lot of stuff for sale. Here's his display right here with all of the games that he has for sale. And it looks like he's got just about every system you can think of. Got the DS right here, Nintendo. Game systems there. He's got a lot of Funko Pops. Cool banners. Yeah, look at all these. This is great. Love the old ones. Look at these old handhelds. Got a bunch of them. Cool stuff. And look at all those NES games. Jeremy, you have a great store. We really appreciate you letting me in here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, this is awesome. Oh yeah, I love it. And he's got a big trade. He just got in. He's going through that. He's got VHS, $2 each, or 3 for $5. Neat. Oh, look at all these right here. All these titles. That's great. Game systems down here in the display. There's all kinds of wonderful used games. Yeah, look at all these. Great selection. Got some comic books too. Nice. So be sure to check the store out. I'll have all this information in the description. Yeah, definitely, if you're in Mocksville, be sure to check out Jeremy's store, The Love for Retro. It's really cool. I love it. And he just started too, not too long ago. And right next to The Love for Retro is Southern Ties Boutique right here. Yeah, I just love promoting stores like that because you can rarely see it. You rarely see those in towns where they're popping up. And here is Alluring Grace Aesthetics. Got yoga in there too. And there is the Vintage Sunflower. Let me walk in there too and check that store out. That looks pretty cool. And right off the bat, you see Rock'em Sock'em right there. So cool. Yeah, she's got all kinds of cool stuff. Renee is the owner, and she's got little booths here. I think they're all on consignment, right? Everything, pretty much.
Spaces.
Okay. This is great. So if you're in Mocksville, be sure to stop by and see her in her store because you're going to find some really cool. There's all kinds of knickknacks here, which is great. Antiques and stuff for your home. All kinds of cool decor. Look at that Gumby there with a machine gun. Armed Gumby. Yeah, I love stuff like this. And she's got a back room too. We'll walk in there. And there's stuff over here. So both sides have a little booths in there filled with all kinds of cool stuff. And Teletubbies right here. Look at them. Man, you got the old tobacco Prince Albert canisters. That's cool. And back here, you got a couple more booths. Down here, the old Tupperware. Look at that. That's neat. Love the old Tupperware. Great little shop, that is for sure. And I'll have all her information in the description when you're down here in Mocksville. You know, old albums too. Really nice store. Then right next to the Vintage Sunflower, which is a really cool vintage store, antique, stuff like that, there's O'Callahan's Irish Pub and Eateries right here. They're hopping right now. They're real busy. So I think that's really, I love how the theming they have out front. And then right here is Restaurant 101, historic downtown Mocksville is right here. So you do have plenty of eateries. People eating outside too. And there's Albania Hair Chic right there. And then right here is outside eating here for Restaurant 101. I love how they opened this up. So they cut away part of the wall and made outside eating. That's really nice. And then over here is the Factory Coffee House. Let's check that out. But look at this building. Love that. And you got a vintage rival, vintage handcrafted goods over here. I think it's food, but I love their town square. This is great. And here's the Factory Coffee Shop. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm going to try to get a shot of the inside for you. And here is the inside right here. Yeah, I'm going to get some coffee while I'm here. And then they have a little seating area over here that you can enjoy your coffee. And they have a family area. Yeah, this is really nice in here. Yeah, I'm going to go inside here and get me a hot cup of coffee. They got all kinds of, they have lunch too. Sandwiches, things like that. And breakfast. But I love, check this out. They turn the old display area into seating area. That's really nice. So yeah, let me get a cup of coffee. And I got my steamy hot cup of coffee, and I'm sitting right next to the window looking out at downtown Mocksville. Kids are having a good time playing around that tree. And great cup of coffee here at Factory Coffee House. amazing, good stuff. The girls are really sweet too. Well, thank you for joining me here in Mocksville, North Carolina. Got my coffee, heading back to the car, and I've got a lot more to see, a lot more videos coming, so stay tuned, and definitely stop here in Mocksville, North Carolina. You guys take care. Bye-bye.